Hey there, curl friend. Emily Kenison here, the founder and inventor of the RobeCurls Curling Headband. And I'm going to give you some tips and tricks for how to sleep comfortably while wearing your headband. So when I created this product, I wanted to make sure that we could wake up with really great curls. And the most important part of beauty rest, though, is the actual sleep part. So we designed it to be sleep comfortable. We do not want to not sleep. That is very bad. So with that regard, we have inside of super plush microfiber fleece lining that is encoded with our H²air-Tex technology. It's pillowy soft. That's what I'm trying to get at. So that's awesome. There's also an integrated wire, which you don't feel when it's on your head, but that's also super key to why you can sleep very comfortably while wearing your headband. Because if you noticed, it has a lot of hold, and that's key. So let me just take it back a notch. When you're done wrapping your hair, you can twist to tighten it, right? So when you twist to tighten, you'll get tighter curls. It'll also feel more secure on your head. Now, it'll retain that shape that you twist it to, even if you move it up, if you move it into little ram horns, if you move it straight up, it'll stay. So while you're sleeping, just position the headband to whatever position is comfortable. Another tip is to, you know how we twist it to tighten? Well, you can loosen it up a little bit if it feels too tight on the head by just twisting the opposite way. And yes, the curls will be a little bit looser when you wake up in the morning, but most importantly is that you slept well. And for the many of you who are able to sleep comfortably with a headband, then you can always just do that, which is what I do. So just twist the tighten, go around to the back, and do your signature cross and tuck, and you're ready for bed. Hope this video helps. If it does, please subscribe. And also, if you have any other comments or questions, just drop it in the comment section below. We're going to be making so many more videos like this, so knowing what you guys want to see is super helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and sweet dreams.